Hello. In question number 6, you have a triangle like this. Okay, here you can see this angle is given 90 and you are also given this angle B is also 90 here. So that means if I ask you how many triangles do you see, then I think you will say there are altogether 3 triangles. What are the triangle? One triangle is this, second triangle is this one, and the third one is the big one. So all 3 of them are right angle triangle. That means in trigonometry we require right angle triangle only. So I may have to take this big one which is a right angle 90 degrees here. I may use this one because that side 90 means this side is also 90, so this side is also 90 degree only. So I may use this triangle also, or I may use that triangle depending upon what is asked. Now since you are given this side as 12 and this angle is 30, and the first question is telling you find what is BC, this one, lower side BC. So for that let me take this big triangle. Okay, I'll also mention which triangle. It is always better if you mention also which triangle. If there are more than one triangle, always mention which triangle you are solving. So I'll take the big triangle. In triangle ACB or ABC, in this big triangle, I'm looking for this lower part which is base. And what is given to me? Perpendicular. Perpendicular and base. And perpendicular and base, you know, is tan. So here I'll look for tan. Tan 30 degree is perpendicular by base. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3, then perpendicular is 12 and base is what I am looking for, this BC. Now cross multiply, you will get BC value is 12 root 3. So this is what is the value of here BC, 12 root 3. I am leaving my answer in root 3, but those of you who want to tally, maybe a back answer is given in decimal. If you want the answer in decimal, put the value of root 3. Root 3 value is 1.732, multiply 12 with 1.732, you will get your answer. But you can keep your answer this way also. So your 12 root 3. So I got the answer to first part BC. Now I need AD. AD is here. So that means AD is a part of this small triangle. In this triangle you know only this is 12. Only one side you know, that is opposite to 90 degree. Hypotenuse only you know. You don't know this base, you neither do you know perpendicular. None of this other 2 sides you know. So what we'll do now is, now we'll use our idea of geometry. In class 8, your idea of geometry that you have done. Okay, this was question number 1. Okay, let me solve this one question for question number 2. It is possible to calculate this angle because if I am taking this big triangle, you know, angle A plus 30 degrees, the second angle, plus third angle. See, in a triangle, if I add 3 angles, angle A plus 30 degree plus this is 90, then you know I'll get 180 degree. You have learned this theorem. We call this as sum of the angles of the triangle is 180, or sum of the angles of the triangle is supplementary. Supplementary means 180. Now from here it is possible to find out what is the value of angle A. Angle A plus 120 is 180 degree. So 120 will go there. So angle A is 180 minus 120. So angle A is 60 degree. So angle A is 60 degree. So there you are. Now I know what is that angle. Now easily I can take this triangle and find out missing value AD. Okay, now let me select that triangle. In triangle ADB, in this triangle ADB, I am looking for AD base. Here hypotenuse, base and hypotenuse. Base is arcs, hypotenuse is given. Base and hypotenuse is cos. So cos 60 degree is base by hypotenuse, and you know cos 60 degree value is half. Base is what we are looking for, AD, and hypotenuse is 12. So I think I can cancel 2 1s are 2 6, cross multiply 1 into AD is AD, 6 into 1 is 6 centimeters. So there you are, AD value also came, which is 6 centimeters. I got the answer to the second part also. Now the third part is asking you to find AC, this full AC. To find AC, in class 8 you have learned something called Pythagoras Theorem. In Trigonometry first chapter also I have learned, in fact I have told you about what is Pythagoras Theorem. Yeah, if you take this big triangle, you are asked to find AC, which is hypotenuse. This is base, this is perpendicular. So if you know 2 sides, third side can be found easily. So After using that, you can do that. Or if you like, if you really want, so no, I will not use Pythagoras theorem, I want to use only trigonometry, then that way also you can do. Then if you are asked to find AC, take this big triangle. In the big triangle, angle is 30 degree. Either you take that 12 or you can take 12 root 3, that also you can take. I will take 12. I think it will be easier if I take 12. So that means if I am taking this angle 30, 12 is perpendicular and I am looking for a hypotenuse. Perpendicular, hypotenuse is sine. Then here you go, sine 30 degree is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine 30 from the table is half, perpendicular is there 12 and hypotenuse is what you are looking for, AC. So cross multiply, AC into 1 is AC and 2 into 12 is 24 centimeter. There, one by one we found the value of all. We found BC, we found AD and we also found AC. This is your question number 6. Now if you look in the picture there, there are trapezium. This figure is what is called a trapezium. Trapezium is given. A trapezium has opposite sides parallel. One of the opposite sides are parallel. You can see that SR and PQ, they are parallel. And also it is marked that it is isosceles. Why isosceles? Because you can see that it is marked PS, this PS with a single line, as you can see here, this single line that you can see, and the other single line that you see here, that means that these two sides are equal. So equal side means now we can say that this trapezium is isosceles trapezium. So if it is an isosceles trapezium, then the base angles are equal. So if the base angles are equal means if this is 60 degree, base angle 60 degree here, you can see this 60 degree, then even this spot, this is also 60 degree. So this also is automatically, it becomes 60 degree. So you have to understand that now 60 degree here means that also 60 degree. Now you will not be able to solve this question because the question actually is telling you to find the length of PQ. Now you can see PQ is there, the lower base, that is one of the parallel side of the trapezium, and also the question shall you find the distance between PQ and SR. Now let me explain to you how to find PQ. You will not be able to find that PQ directly, but then you have to modify that diagram a little bit. Okay, now see the modification. Draw a line from S straight down to PQ, and this line is what is 90 degree. Same way, draw one more line. Okay, let me draw the second line with the green one. Draw one more line, and this is also 90 degree. Okay, now since you have PQRS, let me name these 2 points as point A, and this point let me name it as B. Now to find the value of PQ, the first question is telling you to find PQ. So take this triangle SPA, the first triangle. You will take this first triangle and find from there PA. Then take second triangle, that is BQR, the second triangle on the extreme right. You will take that, and then from there you will find BQ. But that is also not necessary, because what is PA same is BQ, because in an isosceles trapezium this two region is what will be same. This will be equal. This PA will be equal to BQ. So if you can find PA, same value is what you can take for BQ. Then AB. Now what is PS? Same is SQ. You can see on the top is marked. And then in the diagram it is written that PS is equal to SR is equal to RQ, and they are all 20. Now let me mark that also. So this is also 20. This one is also 20, and this one is also 20. So all are 20. Now you can see easily, now taking this triangle, one triangle, you can find out what is the value of PA. So now let me solve now. So here I am starting now with in triangle PAS. Okay, here it is. I am taking this triangle, first part of the triangle. I need base. Base is that PA is what is base, and hypotenuse is given to us. This is hypotenuse. Base and hypotenuse means it is cos. So what I'll do, I'll take cos 60 degree is equal to base by hypotenuse, and you know cos 60 degree value is half, and equal to base is PA. So let me write down here PA, and the hypotenuse is what is 20. Now you can cross multiply, or if you like you can cancel this 2 and 20, 2 1 2 and 2 10 20. Now you can cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, your PA value is what is coming as 10. So that PA value is what is coming as 10 centimeter. I'll take, since 20 is given in centimeter, this 10 is also here in centimeter. Now we know what is PA. Now going back to the diagram, now I know what is PA. So if I am taking this color, okay, glitter, PA is what we got 20 now. So from here to here we got 20. Now see SR is on the top, SR is 20. Now if SR is 20, since it is a rectangle now, ABRS is a rectangle, that means AB is also 20. Okay, now AB value also is what we'll take it as 20. Now here it is, this AB value is also 20. Then since you know that PA, this PA that is 20 is equal to BQ, so that means that last part is also 20. So then I can now write that AB is also 20, opposite sides of the rectangle, as you can see, opposite to AB is what is that 20 on the top. Then similarly BQ is also 20, oh sorry, not 20, it is PA is equal to PA, and that PA is what is 10 centimeter. Now if you do total of here it is PA plus AB plus BQ, if you do, then you will get what is PQ. The question is telling you to find what is PQ, and PQ will come if you add all these three. So it is 10 plus 20 plus 10, so that is what is 40 centimeter. So this is what is your first part of the question. Now in the second part of the question, it is telling you find what is the distance between PQ and SR. Okay, you can see PQ is the lower line of the trapezium, this lower line of the trapezium, and the upper line of the trapezium is SR. Now find the distance means you have to find what is SA. Either you find SA or you find SB, sorry, RB. So I am going to find that SA. Now to find SA, again I have to select the triangle. Let me select a triangle. Okay, so the triangle which I am going to select now is this triangle, so that is your SPA. So in triangle SPA or PAS, same triangle, I am not going to another triangle. Now I need to find what is SA. Since I need to find what is SA, so for this triangle SA is perpendicular, and you know what is hypotenuse. Perpendicular and hypotenuse means I'll take sine. So again sine 60 degree is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2, and perpendicular is what we are looking for, SA, and hypotenuse is what is 20. Again for the 2 and 20 I can cancel with 10, cross multiply to give you SA. SA is 10 root 3. This is what the answer is, but if you want to find the answer in decimal, then multiply 10 with the value of root 3, and root 3 value is 1.732. So if you multiply this, this is coming 17.32 centimeter. This is what is the distance between the two parallel sides of the trapezium. That means this is what is the answer to your second question. Your second question is this, and your first question is here. This is what is your question number 7. Question number 8. Now they are all simple and easy, but still I am doing as many questions as possible. In question number 8, they have given you a diagram like this. The question is telling you find what is the value of x and y. Let me explain to you first the question. In this triangle, angle is 45 degree, lower base is given as 50. Then this small portion which is there is given as 15 degree. This part is y, from here to here it is y, and from here to here it is x. So you are asked to find the value of x and y. Okay, x I can find easily. Okay, for that I need this triangle, small triangle. In triangle ABC, so I am taking this triangle. So in this triangle I am given this one, base. You are asked to find this one, perpendicular, perpendicular and base. So perpendicular base means tan. So there we go, tan angle is 45 degree is perpendicular by base. Tan 45 from the table, if you see, the value is 1. Perpendicular is x. You are asked to find the value of that x, and base is 50. Now cross multiply here. 1 will multiply x to give you x, and 15 to 1 is 50. So there you are, x value is 50 meter. Okay, easily you got what is x. Now to find y is this part. Now what I will do now is I will have to take the big triangle. In triangle DAB, see I am taking this big triangle now. So if I need the big triangle, so still this one is base, Now angle is full now, not only lower part or upper part, angle is full from top to bottom. So lower part is 45, that part is 15. So the total angle is 45 plus 15, it is 60 degree. And it's not possible to find only this. Let me find this full. This full, that is y plus x, becomes opposite to the given angle, so it becomes perpendicular. This is base. So perpendicular base means again tan. So tan 60 degree, because 45 plus 15 is 60 degree, is perpendicular by base. Tan 60 value, you know that is root 3. Perpendicular. Perpendicular means full, which is y plus x. So y plus x is total perpendicular. And base is what is 50. Now since I know the value of x, so let me put the value of x here, 50. So it is root 3 is y plus 50 over 50. Now let's cross multiply. If I cross multiply, 1 will multiply y plus 50 and this 50 will multiply root 3. So it will be 50 root 3. Transfer this 50 on the other side. We have y is equal to 50 root 3 minus 50. So this plus 50 is becoming minus 50. So y is equal to 50. If I am taking common, then it will be root 3 minus 1. This is the answer. But again, if you want to find the answer in decimal, then what you can do, y is equal to 50. Put the value here, 1.732 minus 1. So y value is 50 into, if you subtract 1.73 minus 1, so it will come 0.732. So let's multiply this. 0.732 if you multiply with 50, so 0, 5 to 10, 15, 16, 7, 35, 36. So altogether 3 place of decimal means this is 36.6 meter is the value of y. This is your question number 8. You are asked to find value of x and y. So easily we found out what is the value of x and y. Question number 9. Now going to question number 9, here is the diagram. Now the question is telling you find the length of AB. Now if you look at the diagram, AB is here, this part you can see on the extreme left, and it is marked in the diagram that AB and your DC on the other side, they are equal, and the lower base full from here to there is given as 50 meter. Now what is AB? We don't know. So what I'll do now is I'm going to take the two triangle and solve for AB. Now what is AB? Let us take AB as, okay, here it is, let AB be equal to x, but you know AB and DC are equal, so DC also is equal to x. So let me mark now there in the diagram, AB is x and DC is also x. So now I'll take the triangle one by one. Now let me go to the first triangle. In triangle BAP, in this triangle let me look for a base, this base. So perpendicular is there taken as x and base is what I'll find out, AP, and angle is given as 60 degrees. So perpendicular base means it is what your tan is. So I'll take this as tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular by base, and your perpendicular is, so again I am repeating, your perpendicular part is what is your x, and your base part is what is AP. But tan 60 value, let me write first. Tan 60 value is what is root 3, and perpendicular is x, and your base is what is AP. I am going to take that base as AP. Now if that is so, then cross multiply. Now if you multiply, now see what will be the value of AP. So if I cross multiply your root 3 AP is what is equal to x. So then your value of AP is equal to x by root 3. X by root 3. This is what is the value of AP. Now let me write down then what I got AP. AP I got x by root 3. So let me write down there. So it is x by root 3. Now I am going on to the other triangle. In triangle DPC, in DPC also I'll take tan because perpendicular is there and I want to find base. So taking tan 30 degree is perpendicular by base, and tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Perpendicular is x and base is what is PC. If you cross multiply, your value of PC will come root 3x. So now let me write down what I got PC. PC I got root 3x. Now since the total distance AC is given, so what I'll do now is, let me add this. Okay, let me solve here. Now you know that your value of AC, which the question is telling you, or which your question has given you, which is 50 meter, will come if you add, okay, here it is, if you add AP plus PC, then you are going to get AC. Okay, now AP, I found AP as x by root 3, and I found PC as root 3x, and AC, as you can see, is given in the question as 50. So now solving here, taking the LCM as root 3. If I am taking root 3 as the answer, so root 3 will go 1 into x is x, plus 1 will go root 3 into root 3 is 3x, and that is what is 50. Now cross multiply, you have 4x is equal to 50 root 3. So x value is 50 root 3 divided by 4. So if you want, you can cancel now 2 and 225. So there you are, your value of x is what is equal to 25 root 3 by 2. Now if you want to answer in decimal, so then what you can do, this root 3, put the value as 1.732, then 25 multiply 1.732 and divide by 2 and get your answer. But then since the question was telling us find what is AB, and finally you know AB is what you got, so AB was what was assumed as x. If you look at that part here, AB you have assumed as x. So then since you found the value of x, here it is, the value of x is here, so then now you can write that AB value is 25 root 3 over 2. So this is what is your question number 9. Okay, let's see then what is question number 10. The question is telling you find what is CD, this CD. Okay, so to find this CD is not possible because it is not a part of a right angle triangle. So as you can see 90 degrees here, there are two right angle triangles, one is this small one and the other one is this big one. So two right angle triangles are there, so both this right angle triangle I am going to use, but CD is a part of that triangle which is not right angle triangle. This triangle is not right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, if a triangle is not right angle triangle, I cannot use any trigonometric ratios. So what I'll do, first I'll start with the small triangle, in triangle ACB. Okay, ACB, and there I'll find out what is CB. CB is base, this is perpendicular, base and perpendicular is tan. So I'll write tan, since the angle is 45, is perpendicular by base. Tan 45 from the table is 1, perpendicular is 6, and base is CB. If you cross multiply CB into 1 is CB, and that is what is 6 centimeter. Now I know CB is 6 centimeter. Okay. So then we got CB value as 6 centimeter. Now we'll go to the bigger triangle now. In triangle ADB, in this big triangle ADB, base and perpendicular, again base and perpendicular means it is tan, but the angle as you can see is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is perpendicular by base. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3, and perpendicular as you can see is 6 centimeter, and base is this full. Now we don't know what is DC, so DC plus this part which is 6. Now from here I can get the value of DC. We'll cross multiply now. DC plus 6, as it multiplies 1, it becomes DC plus 6, and on the other side root 3 will multiply 6 to give you 6 root 3. Transfer this 6 on the other side, we'll have DC equal to 6 root 3 minus 6. So taking 6 as common, so DC value is 6 as common, is root 3 minus 1. Then if you want your answer in decimal, if you want to leave your answer in root form, then this is what the answer is. But then if you want to answer in root form, so what I'll do now, I'll put the value of this root 3. This root 3 value you know is 1.732 minus 1. That is equal to 6. As you subtract this, it will come 0.732. 1.732 minus 1 is 0.732. Let's multiply now this. 0.732, if you multiply with 6, 6 to 12, 6 3 18, 19. Then 42, 43, 3 place of decimal means it is coming 4.392 centimeter is what is the value of your DC. This is what the question is asking you to find.